we're going to be looking at how to connect your MetaMask to Polygon network here. So we're going to be reviewing this article and how-to guides on CoinMarketCap blogs even. So this tutorial will be beneficial to new beginners who would not or do not know how to utilize these options or these services. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button beneath this video, and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads. Your buy keys. We're going to be looking at this table of contents from step 1 to step 3. Now it says here Polygon as was probably one of the most widely talked about layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum in 2021. So thanks to its incredibly fast transaction speed at much lower cost, with the help of the network, users can now access their favorite Ethereum dApps without having to pay the exorbitant gas fees that they would otherwise need to pay on the Ethereum mainnet. So people often get confused between Polygon and MATIC. The MATIC network was rebranded recently to Polygon. However, because it would be difficult to change the name of the token, since it would have to be changed at the smart contract level, the token is still known as MATIC. To help you connect your MetaMask wallet to the Polygon network, we have created this step-by-step guide. So let's dive in. It says in step 1, install MetaMask wallet. If you haven't already, then you will need to install the MetaMask wallet extension on your web browser. So that's the first and major step. You can download the wallet here. Also, you say once you've downloaded and installed the extension, you can now easily set it up and accessing the extensions. You can also go over to Chrome extensions and find the MetaMask and add it to your extensions. Alternatively, you can even access them by heading over to settings tab. Step 2, say add Polygon network to your MetaMask. So once you've set up your MetaMask wallet, you simply need to add the Polygon network to your wallet. To do that, you need to expand the view on your dashboard on the MetaMask. So you click on the three dot icons here, and it's going to show you view account data scan, expand view account details, connected sites, and more. So your wallet will be open on a new browser like this. Simply head over to the network drop down menu to the circular logo. So you want to click on this circular logo. It's going to show you networks, show hide, test networks, this means, and more. So you're going to click on add network. You'll be redirected to a new screen where you'll be able to add a custom network. You can now also access this screen by heading over to circular logo, settings, and heading over to networks. Down on the networks, you fill out the details, enter in the MATIC mainnet settings as follows. So this is the official MATIC mainnet settings you want to input in the empty box or in the column provided. So once you've added these, you can now click on save. So once you click on save here, once you click on save, you'll be redirected to this screen where it's going to show you the MATIC has been added successfully to your MetaMask wallet. So transfer tokens to your MATIC wallet network. So now there are several ways of transferring tokens over to your MATIC wallet, but to do it, you first need to set up your Polygon wallet. To set up your Polygon wallet, simply head over to the main Polygon website, polygonwallets.technology, and click on Polygon wallet. You'll then be asked to connect your pre-existing MetaMask wallet. So once you've done connecting it, you will be directed to this screen. So live on this screen, you can now transfer your asset from Ethereum to Polygon. You have to use the Polygon bridge option that is made available here. So you have loads of options here. Polygon bridge, it's the one you will be utilizing. You have Polygon staking, widget, dashboard, and more. So clicking on the Polygon bridge, it says head over to the bridge and select USDT in the drop down list of tokens. Once that is selected, you can easily enter the number of tokens you wish to transfer. Once you enter the amount, you will then be able to transfer the required tokens over to your Polygon wallet. However, you do want to note that the transaction fees on transferring tokens can be quite high. So when transferring a user, it was higher than when I was transferring in the first place. So now when I was transferring my tokens, it was higher than what I was transferring in the first place. You can also receive MATIC tokens from a fellow user by heading over to the assets on Polygon. So you want to take note of the charges or the transfer fees before pushing through with your transaction. Simply click on receive, and however, you note that you will only be able to transfer these tokens from a fellow Polygon wallet user. Once you've added funds to your Polygon wallet, you'll now be able to use various apps on Ethereum using the wallet without having to pay for the exorbitant amount of transaction fees. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap news review on connecting your MetaMask to Polygon network. Stay tuned for more. Keys. Peace out and one love, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Click on the red subscribe button below.